What's up, guys? Quick Bitcoin update. We're going to zip through the charts real quick. Stick around to the end. I'm going to show you the long-term bearish and long-term bullish case scenarios. Also, don't forget we have a free Discord group in the description below the video. Let's get into the charts. All right, guys, as always, this is not financial advice, trading advice, nor is it investment advice. Always do your own due diligence and your own research before investing or trading in any markets. Just a reminder, Sunday, we're doing the Ledger Nano S hard wallet giveaway. All you have to do to enter to win is make sure you're subscribed to the channel, tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post videos, smash that thumbs up, and leave your comment down below. I'll pick a random comment at the end of the week. All right, so looking at the fear and greed index, we dropped 3 points from yesterday in the 92, still in the extreme greed zone. Looking at the Dow Jones, we've been watching this trend line up here. It's around the $30,700 to $30,800 range. I don't see us getting past that if we do get a pump there. If it does break above there and get support there, who knows? This thing could go just to the moon, literally. But anyways, I doubt that's going to happen. Take a look around in the world today, and that should give you a clue. But anyways, looking at gold, we had our target of 1,800, which we did dip below. I do have another target down here, possibility around 1,736, and that would be looking at this as a possible A, B, C correction. Now that's what I'm looking for. We could be bottomed out here. As you can see on the daily, we're back above the 200 EMA. It is looking pretty strong. Looks like we could get a run up here towards the 1910 area, so keep an eye on that. The dollar index, this is what we've been looking at, a falling wedge here. I do believe it's possible we come all the way down to this 90, right around the 90.22 range to retest the bottom of this wedge. This is the 3-day chart. As of right now, on the 3-day chart, if we look over here, we are making bullish divergence. We would still be bullish divergence if we got all the way down to this area, so that is possible, but I do believe we bounce up and out of here after that. And this whole run up for the dollar, I believe, will be a drop for Bitcoin. That is my opinion. We're going to take a look at the charts. So, all right, let's see. And we'll talk about yesterday. We were talking about yesterday's close and where it closed depending on the 18.8 mark. Where it closed from there on the daily yesterday made me bearish or bullish, and it did close in the bearish scenario. So we'll take a look at that here in a minute, but let's take a look at this on the smaller time frame in the hourly here. Looks like we're making a little triangle here. If we take a measured move of that, if we were to break up out of here, that could be around the 20,800 to $21,000 range. So that's the bullish case scenario here, guys. Watch for a break of this line. And as of right now, the top of this is around 19,150, right in that area. So a break of that, we most likely could be headed up to around the 20,050 bucks up to the $21,000 range. So keep an eye on that. And if we break down from here, and that being about the 18,575 area, I would be looking for a retest of this bottom trend line here being the 17.6. That 17.6 breaks, the next stop is around 16.9. And if we take a measured move of this, looking at it as a triangle, if we do not get a bounce at that 17.6, we could be looking to go all the way down to the 13.9 range, which makes sense. That would be old resistance back here. Not saying that has to happen. We have to see what happens up in here first, but we do have room on the 1-hour RSI to get a nice drop still. Are we getting divergence here? Yes, we are. Let me zoom in and show you that on the hourly. So if we look at the hourly, this high here and this high here, we're making lower highs in the price action, higher highs in the RSI. This could be that drop played out, but it does look like we're most likely going to continue dropping more here. So be careful if you guys are interested in trading. This is great trading times, very volatile. This is Prime XBT. I'll leave a tutorial up top, and a lot of people have been asking me how the leverage works on here because it's not the easy gambling setup like other scammy exchanges. So I will have that video out later today. I think it'll be finished and I'll have it out, and you definitely want to stick around for it because I'm going to show you how to get a $500 tradable account. I will be giving 3 of them away off of the tutorial video, so definitely make sure you watch it when I get it out. Subscribe and tick the notification bell to get notified when I post it. Most likely I'll be posting it today. So but if you are interested in trading Prime XBT, you can trade crypto, forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, everything on one exchange. You could have multiple trades in multiple directions, longs and shorts. Just a great exchange. You can do everything all from this one exchange instead of having a bunch of different accounts and whatnot. But by using my promo code Savvy50, that'll get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit as a bonus to use towards your margin up to 1 Bitcoin. Savvy25 will get you 25% off your fees. And let's get into the 4 hours. So looking at the 4 hour, we had been watching this rising channel. We had a measured move of the breakout of that of around 20,800, 20,900, which lines up with the last chart we just looked at. So that's still a possibility here. And if we look at the EMAs, where we are lying, as of right now, we are getting support on the 55 EMA. And we're battling in between the 8 EMA and 21 EMA as of right now. We have topped out here. We could get that one more push up and make some more bearish divergence here. But as you guys know, in the daily, we do have some bearish divergence that we've been watching. And I do think we're most likely going to continue back down from here. But if not, watch this top range here. Now, a break of that. And I told you what I thought about that. We'll look at that in the next chart here. But if we are topped here, our retracement levels from the swing low to the swing high, first one being 15,960, that's the 0.236. Then we have the 0.382 at 13.5. Then we have the 0.5 at 11.5. And the golden pocket around 92. We'll see what happens. If we do continue down from here, I will keep you guys updated. Now let's look at the daily. So this is what we had been looking at on the daily. We did get our rejection up here. We closed below our target of 18.8 yesterday. Like I said, that made me bearish because we did not open and close a daily above this trend line. Now, if we have opened today's candle, we opened that yesterday below that line. If we close again below that line, below that 18.8 range, it's most likely headed down to at least 16.3 area. If that is to break, I'd be looking towards a 15.2. And after that, then we start looking at those lower levels. The 200 EMA as of today lies around the $12,300 range. But like I said, looking at this higher high here in the price action, lower high in the RSI, that is bearish divergence. Every time we've done bearish divergence in the daily, we have gotten a dump. But as bullish as Bitcoin's been, we still pumped after. So be aware of that. And like I said, we're going to take a look at the long-term bearish and the long-term bullish charts next. So stick around. And before that, don't forget to check out my wife's webpage, anchorimage.com. There is a link down below in the description. Check it out along with the other affiliate links down there. There's a lot of great deals. But she's got a lot of cool crypto stuff on here and other stuff for family pictures and that. So check it out. If you have any questions, hit her up in the contact right here. And the bearish case scenario first. Looking at this, our top in 2017, our top in 2019. Could this be what the top's going to look like in 2020? Possible. I know a lot of people don't think it's possible, but just real quick, a lot of times, let me zoom in here real quick. This is just how I think about it. Think about it however you will. But the big money got in down here. They talked about getting it up here. They don't have to tell you the truth. I'm sure they started buying down here. They're going to collect profits, but they can't sell all at once. That will just crush the price as much as they've bought. So they'll sell a little bit at each top so they can sell it for high price. And then it starts dumping. You know, they'll dump down to here. Then they'll let go. People will start buying because everybody's still FOMOing. So we're so close to the breaking the all-time high and getting support. So everybody thinks. Not saying it can't happen, but this is something to think about. And once it bounces back up here, everybody will get excited again and start buying as they sell into them. Same thing again and again. And we could see like I said, I plan on buying my bigger HODL position back. Obviously, I do have Bitcoin on my trade accounts that I'm trading. And like I said, I'm keeping the Bitcoin profits that I make. But I have sold my HODL position, and I'm looking at a possibility of buying back around the first or second quarter of next year if this scenario plays out, which I'm still leaning towards. Now, the super bullish case scenario would be looking at this. This is on the weekly. If we look at this triangle and the solid white trend lines, the measured move of the break of that would be up to the 28.1. And if we go off of this white dotted trend line here, and that's where we broke the RSI triangle down here, would be about 30,300. That's the bullish case there, guys. If we look at this RSI here, we've been watching this forever. I think we're most likely going to have to at least come back down and test this area on the weekly RSI being the top of this triangle. If that's to break, then we go down to them lower lows that I was talking about. First, second quarter of next year, maybe even, yeah, first or second quarter of next year, I would imagine. But I will keep you guys up to date on that. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking your Crypto Savvy logo above my head. Smash that like button and leave your comment down below. And don't forget to watch out for the leverage video. I will be trying to get that out this afternoon at some point. Hopefully I get it done and get it out there. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm out.